Kohn-Tavor, the archaeologist of the Gesh Tourist Archaeology. We are standing in a very special place in a very special date. Today is the 23rd of Shvat in the Hebrew calendar, which was the 18th of January in the year 749 CE, the year in which here Scythopolis-Beth Shean had collapsed totally by a huge earthquake. And here you can really see the earthquake as it happened. You can see these market arches just behind me, one after the other, collapsing onto the street, devastating the city, which never recovered again. This earthquake is well dated because first we have a Muslim, a Jew, and a Christian sources telling us about the consequences of this huge earthquake, and there's so many people dying here and other places, but they didn't really know the year. They know the date, as I said, 23rd of Shvat, January 18th, but the year in the different sources was different between 746, 747, 749, and when they excavated here, they found a man who ran back to get his treasure, ran back to get his money, and was found right by his coins. And the latest coin in this gold Herod coins was 749 CE, meaning that the collapse and the earthquake happened in 749. So this is a great place to visit when you come to Israel. And if you want to get more and more interested about the archaeology of the Holy Land and the first century in context, please contact us. We are available also for Zoom lectures and online tours. So be in touch. See ya.